Enuanom adofo ena numre ya frɛ mo aba ha. Ye pese Ghana ne amansa nyina ehu se. Ene Jaja Otranse a wodi Ashanti Regional Chairman Bernard Entribosi akwa asɛm no atemu a odi aba no eya atemu a achia na amaye nyina ya hu se sabi amayosem ena atemu afo no woye ya rawo ne se yadutum se Ghana emra ena ese ye adwuma na so emra ne nkyerɛ sɛ obubu atɛn na ɛkyia me nka wasɛm asɛm a ɛda court n'anim ɛnɛ court ni buaye no ne tenten ni tietia ɛne sɛ obia ne wɔ a ɔwɔ prosecution hɔ attorney general office hɔ etimi ka asɛm ɛma ne to asum sɛ Chairman Wontumi sɛ no oni nkrata sɛ obetu sɛ gold o ya sase so eno enya ade a court no edi akyinye enti ɛkyerɛ sɛ Chairman Wontumi no okrata a man ho kwan sɛ obetu efom agudie asɛm a court no ɛka ɛne sɛ ɔmo gyina so a ɔmo de Chairman Wontumi akɔtwe aban kokom ne sɛ ɔmo sɛ Chairman Wontumi krata na okra na emrɛ mu no ho kwan sɛ obekura saa krata no or the Sakrata no amo obi se onfa nkoye adwuma abra lance minister ama approval sabi enche se Wontumi okoye galamsey efi se title na ekura no na emramu na edimu boni aban ne kaso waye ne se o se Chairman Wontumi de ne krata ama obi akoye adwuma aban na mpren so na so e court no prosecution na ntima nkyerɛ preference ampa adanse a ɛkyerɛ sɛ Chairman Wontumi de ne krata na asase ama obi sɛ ɔfa nkɔyɛ adwuma aban no ampene so prosecution no ɔmantimi ankyerɛm judge a wodi asɛm no ɛsɛ amo a mo ba yɛ bedi adanse na asɛm a ɔmo kaayɛ no ɛno na ɔdo to nsianiani a ogyina so a ɔka sɛ Chairman Wontumi edifo ɛno ne mmɛm yɛ ka no circumstantial evidence na so ɔmantimi prove beyond reasonable doubt a back criminal prosecution ese prosecution na se court na edigina so ka asem no obi asem akaka ye enu nti na judge na gina so a o ka so de Chairman Wontumi akoto aban no kukumu ye NPP party no de ka ne se o mampeni mahama se o wo pepapa se bi illegal mine e friend galamsey no obeko ho na so betu ho esa and the wa bemu enkofo bebre wo ma wa okwa ogitum se omoto na so omo ye galamsey o ma pene de Ghana fo busa ne se sa asem no akosi sen o party fo no na omo ye no ehu asem no akosi sen na kwakoye se o ma pene ni NDC awon hare a asem bi efa opposition fo no omo edekọ na so omo tu ho asa no ene sa ohare ni bi ena asem friend this for ho a omutu sa asa no egofo di petition ko ma yoko efa NDC or national organizer Joseph Yami ho ene omo vice chairman Abanga Yakubu ho se omo ye galamsey omo pani ni NDC for ebusa mo se asem no akosi sen uye no fru a NDC mra so bejanyi owo afano south east your friend Mohammed Yakubu ohine bi pam no free na hemfie enam se oye galamsey hu no yebuso mampani se akosisen opa awowin MP or NDC MP ho e friend honorable Oscar Ofori-Labi eko bi e friend Ghana Coalition Against Galamsey ese papa no oye galamsey yebuso mampani ni NDC fo ne se sa no ma ne nyina no akwa akosisen before sa akonya reso maka cho mampeni se ensem ehia Ghana fo hwe se obetu hu sa no ena hu sa na otu na emom ni opponent ena wa na adwen se obetu nani ade asi omo so Cocoa farmers po esu sabi Encheye and nso eyi fa amanfo omo nkran ha ene regents ni biaka omanpeni ka nwadi a wode prosecute opponents no kasa nwadi ni bi no fa ko hye sa ntokwa we mu se be ya flag no nsem no ejin nsem wo mem ha na de meka ko wie ne se me hye titafo me hye mo boss NPP chema Wontumi enja ne mu me ka che mo se sebi ene ehia no NPP legal team for no ya ka che mo se omo file appeal no mo challenge decision a judge no edi aba na me wie no me pese wiasem nyina ati asese chema Wontumi abanko koma de da kotwe no eyamayosem sebi enye boni bi no akwakoye oye political prisoner amayosem ti ene de na koto abanko kuom eyamayosem ti ana ndisi aban ena koto abanko kuom na yakopo oti ase no eni se ebrese mo nokre eba bede.
Share the link, 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 share the link. Abuja lemfa say me koson kai wo say o first transaction and be send this ka e dia ba eye Ghana, Nigeria ne ada say wo send free US, UK, Canada one dey only problem. O first transaction unya kickback $20, £10, €10 free. Na niji sem na lemfa dia ba ne apart from say ye ma uska na ye instant money transfer dia ma no say obi send link ma na say wo use link no the first transaction ni ba kro nya 100 Ghana cedis free. It is my share me link ma na wo use e de send this car me 100 Ghana cedis free me first transaction me dem you say lemfa share the link I'll say end back with lemfi. Go Google Play Store, go download the lemfi, and App Store, go download lemfi and share the link and get paid.
The New Patriotic Party has become aware of the judgment delivered today by the High Court, the case involving our Ashanti Regional Chairman, Mr. Bernard Siakon, popularly known as Chairman Wontumi. Indeed, we consider the decision of the court as amounting to political imprisonment. Indeed, Chairman Wontumi is a political prisoner. We address you today with profound disappointment, but also with an unwavering commitment to the rule of law, constitutional democracy, and the pursuit of justice. While we respect the authority of our courts, respect for the judiciary does not require silence in the face of a judgment that is fundamentally flawed. Our Constitution guarantees every citizen the right to disagree with judicial decisions and to seek redress through the appellate process. That is precisely what we intend to do as a political party. Ladies and gentlemen, it is our considered view that Chairman Wontumi has been convicted in circumstances where there was no evidence at all to support a conviction in respect of the offense for which he has been convicted. It was never disputed that Chairman Wontumi lawfully acquired his mineral concession. It was never disputed that he lawfully acquired his mineral concession. That fact was established and accepted before the court. The central question was whether that concession had been assigned or transferred in violation of the law. It is our respected view that no evidence was adduced before the court establishing any such assignment or transfer of mineral rights by Chairman Wontumi. The prosecution could not produce any evidence to show that Wontumi had assigned his mineral right. Instead, the conviction rested on assumptions and inferences which, in our view, could not amount to proof beyond reasonable doubt. That is why we firmly believe that his conviction is a travesty of justice and has to be overturned on appeal. Fellow Ghanaians, equally disturbing is the broader context within which this prosecution has taken place. A troubling pattern is emerging in our country, a pattern where the government appears eager to shield its own while relentlessly pursuing perceived political opponents who have done no wrong. Today, the John Mahama-led NDC government may seek to celebrate this conviction as evidence of its commitment to fight against illegal mining. Where there is evidence of galamsey on a large scale engaged and supervised by leading members of John Mahama's government, we reject that narrative entirely. And I repeat, the New Patriotic Party rejects that narrative entirely. They think that the conviction of Chairman Wontumi will be the trophy to appease the Ghanaian people for their failures. This is no trophy. The Ghanaian people cannot fail to notice that while the political opponents who have done no wrong are being aggressively persecuted, questions remain unanswered regarding individuals associated with his party and government who have themselves been publicly linked to illegal mining activities. Indeed, the president himself has acknowledged that persons in his administration are involved in galamsey. What concrete action has followed those admissions? Who are those members of the president's party that are engaged in galamsey of which the president knows of? What has become of the petition submitted to Economic and Organized Crime Office, EOCO, seeking an investigation into allegations concerning Mr. Joseph Yamin, the NDC national organizer, and Abanga Yakubu, vice chairman of the NDC? You're asking these questions. Mr. President, what has become of those investigations? What has happened to Honorable Mohamed Yakubu, NDC MP for Ahafo North South, Ahafo North South East, and his DC who was sacked from a chief's palace after they alleged that he was heavily involved in galamsey in their traditional area? What happened to the NDC MP for Aworin, Honorable Oscar Ofori Labi, who was accused by the chiefs and the people of Aworin, as well as Ghana's coalition against galamsey, for engaging in galamsey? Why has the nation not witnessed the same level of urgency and determinations in those matters? Justice cannot be selective. And I repeat, justice cannot be selective. The fight against illegal mining cannot become credible only when it targets political opponents in respect of whom evidence of wrongdoing does not exist, while overlooking allegations involving others, especially from the president's own party. Ladies and gentlemen, we also wish to state that Ghana faces far greater than political persecution at a time when our nation is grappling with growing security threats, the devastating impact of illegal mining on our cocoa farmers and farming communities and areas owned by farmers, the government's inadequate response to recent flooding across the country, and the increasing menace of terrorism within the sub-region, Ghanaians expect leadership that demonstrates urgency, competence, and an unwavering commitment to protecting lives, livelihoods, and national security. No government should attempt to divert public attention from those pressing national concerns through selective prosecutions designed to create the appearance of success. Finally, let me assure all members of the New Patriotic Party and the good people of Ghana that Chairman Wontumi is not alone. There is no justification for the judgment since the judge obviously ignored clear evidence exonerating Wontumi. The New Patriotic Party stands firmly with him. Our legal team has already commenced the necessary steps to challenge his judgment through the appellate process. The NPP considers Wontumi a political prisoner. The NPP considers Wontumi a political prisoner. The NPP as a political party considers Wontumi a political prisoner. Thank you very much. May God bless our homeland, Ghana.